I'd do it.
I would never dream of doing it.
I would have.
I swim like a stone. If I fall in, I'm going all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
I was learning to swim when I was in high school, back in Jamaica, and I almost drowned. That was it.
Yeah?
I gave up. Never tried again.
Is that right, eh? I think it should be mandatory in schools. Every kid should learn how to swim.
I agree. I'm sure they can do it.
Oh, yeah.
If he couldn't, I don't think he would have been sitting there. This is cool. I've seen the one on the canal in St. Catharines.
Oh, in the
big
Welland
one.
Canal.
Yeah, I've never seen this one in operation.
Where are you from? Now.
Hamilton.
Hamilton, eh?
Yeah. Just took a trip to Montreal on the way back home now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hamilton, home of the big ships, eh?
Yep.
What do you do in Hamilton?
I work at a metal workers. We make rehabilitation. It's called card and rehab. We make rehabilitation equipment. Do a lot of metal fabrication.
Hamilton, steel town.
I actually live in Burlington. I live in Hamilton, but I work in Burlington.
You ever see the Dancing Man in Hamilton? This guy is downtown, he dances everywhere.
No,
I've seen it on YouTube.
I haven't seen it.
You know the band Rush?
Yeah, I heard of it. Yeah.
He's cousins with one of the band members. He's a little touched in the head.
Yeah?
He's Alex Lifeson. He's a guitarist.
Which one of them?
He's
The guy sitting?
what about it? No, I'm
No.
talking about the what about it?
Oh, I thought
I'm
you were
talking about
saying
the Dancing Man in
okay,
Hamilton.
Okay.
Yeah, he dances downtown all the time.
I haven't
Dances
seen.
as he goes down the street, he's dancing.
I haven't seen him. I haven't been downtown too much. I live up on the mountains,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I only go down there to do business and all that.
My brother lives in there.
Where in Hamilton?
Just up on
Up on the mountain, right?
yeah, way up there though, in
Yeah.
back, the country.
Oh,
He's a lawyer there, firms.
Ancaster, is that where is it?
Eh?
Does he live in Ancaster?
No,
Okay.
I forget the name of the freaking area.
Have you ever seen the Dancing Man in Hamilton?
The Dancing Man.
Downtown?
No, what is it?
No, he was just telling me. about it.
You see him on YouTube. He's a guy that dances everywhere as he goes through the streets downtown. He's no touch, but he's just dancing.
Yeah?
He goes down the street.
She works downtown, so
He's the
touch.
cousin of Alex. Is it Alex Lifeson of Rush, the band Rush?
Oh, okay.
He's his cousin. And yeah, Google him. Dancing Man in
Yeah.
Hamilton.
I will.
Well,
I asked my brother about him, and some other people asked for him. They know
In fact,
of him.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So if you don't mind, I'll probably put you on it too.
That's fine too.
Yeah, this
man,
is
this
cool.
doesn't change at all. I came here like 15 years ago in a houseboat. Doesn't change a bit.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
For
it's
185 years.
great. That's great.
One question.
Yeah.
There was this guy who pushed his daughter, this guy from Pakistan.
Yeah.
It wasn't here.
Afghanistan, yes
Yeah.
it was. It was up at the top lock,
Okay.
on the other side of the top lock gate.
Okay.
You couldn't make that, you couldn't be in action.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
I read the book.
Yeah, he wasn't very smart. It's impossible for it
The
to
thing
happen
is, he's from
accidentally.
Afghanistan, so probably things he could just die of.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what he thought. It's not
Yeah.
a big deal.
Yeah.
He
We went further
was
now.
in for a good surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, this was cool. Happy we came here.
guys are right into it, eh?
I know.
That one helped a little bit. Up to 7.
We're gonna be on YouTube too, bro. I'm sure he's gonna post his too.
We all remember this.
Yeah, this is good. I'm happy with it. It's worth the ticket, whatever ticket. Good job!
Dancing Man in Hamilton.
Okay, take care.
Have a nice trip back home.
Thank you. This was awesome, Kat. Happy we stopped.
185 years old.
Yeah.
Still original. Well, I mean, obviously it's been worked on, but I mean the concept. Still the original concept.
Well, now, when was the last time it was repaired?
I don't know.
Wow.
Three bells with a song.
And I got the train passing too.
Yeah, that was pretty picturesque. Smith Falls up there, Rito, is another absolutely beautiful one. It's like 6 lofts and a big pond. It's really, really nice. They're all nice. They're beautiful. Some of them are large park areas. I mean, if you want to take the time, we can probably see
Of course.
one or two up the canal. Can't go all the way. It goes all the way to Ottawa. But,
I know.
you know the thing that surprises me?
Hmm?
The thing that surprises me is that you can still do this. Get right up to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those guys are down in the base fixing it, doing repairs down there.
Oh, are they?
Because it's almost dry. Yeah, they're right at the bottom of the stairs. So they're repairing the like, see that thing that goes down there?
Yeah.
They're doing some repairs on it.
Let's go walking up the stairs. You okay with that?
Yeah.
You can stop it by hand.
Hi, how are you?
That bit is good, so the water up there. usually spend a week vacationing, like do B&Bs and hikes and stuff around this one. Go from Ottawa to Kingston
Yeah.
without even hitting a boat. Oh, canoe. Oh, I took the trash can.
It's Ben Lindsay.
Except for the trash around, I certainly couldn't go through the lock there. It's pretty rough in there.
Not just that, I think it costs money to do it.
Oh yeah.